Good morning everyone, this is Juan Flores and today we're going to learn how to install a scupper or an overflow. For this job, the first step, it will be to secure the scupper to the structure. Please make sure to use the right size of fasteners in order to get a really nice grip. Most of the time it's 6-inch on center, but in this case we are using 4-inch on center. After that, we're going to install our membrane. For this particular scupper, it has been coated with a TPO. So we are going to use a piece of TPO to do the transition. After we clean it, we make sure that all the details that are underneath are completely done. After that, and that's our area, that's our TPO, so we start securing it. As an observation that everybody's supposed to know, all the corners of the TPO, it has to be round. Cannot be any 90-degree angles on TPO. Weld all the surfaces completely, not just the edge of 1.5 inches. Keep doing the same procedure all the way around. Make sure that it's tight as it can be. Once the surface has been completed, welded, then proceed to cut the center. This is what's going to make a lip to make the transition from one place to the other one. This is very important. After this, we're going to cut and leave about 2 inches of a lip to weld. Remember that in this case, this metal has been coated with the TPO, so there is no need to use cover tape. Start welding the bottom section, 1.5 inches at least left, and you keep doing the same thing on all 4 sides. I'm sorry, for all sides. Make sure you take your time to weld and to verify that all the membrane has been completely adhered to the metal in this case. So after that, start installing the corners. We're using prefab corners. In this case, we're showing the corners being done on an overflow, such as the same procedure as if we're gonna do it to the original scupper. Please apply all necessary patches around the structure. Now this is how is the finished product, and I hope we have helped everyone on something.